here's the exciting part. You don't need any product creation experience, a marketing team, or months of testing. Just plug in your details, follow the steps, and let the training guide you all the way to launch. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades OTOS so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you are new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, and I'm here to help you find the best tools and strategies that actually work. If that's something you're into, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss one. And here's a special treat. I've put together exclusive bonuses that you'll get only from the link below. These are designed to help you get faster results mastering marketplaces. So check the description before they're gone. So, what is mastering marketplaces? Mastering marketplaces, strategies for a successful launch is a 20-part video training with full private label units, PLR, designed to help anyone learn how to launch and sell digital products on platforms like JVZoo, WarriorPlus, ClickBank, and more. It's here for anyone who wants to launch a profitable product without creating it from scratch. Sell digital products with your name on the platforms. PLR is helping you updating channel. Learn launch strategies from A to Z. No experience, no problem. This is beginner friendly internet marketing. And no, this isn't some get rich quick promise. This gives you tools and help. Results depend on you taking action. Standout features like online 20 video tutorials, step-by-step guide to launching on multiple platforms, 20 audio files and voiceover scripts, use them as is or rebrand them as your own, 50 ready-to-sell ebooks, huge bonus pack in top niches like fitness, cooking, self-help, and digital marketing full PLR rights, rebrand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits, checkmark 0 experience needed. Perfect for beginners looking to start a product business quickly. Rocket how it works. Super simple. 1. Download the full PLR. Customize it with your brand or use it as is upload and start selling on your preferred platform. Keep 100% of the profits and build a business. This is one of the fastest ways to launch with no product creation units. Let me quickly show you a demo so you can see it.
Struggling to turn your PLR content into real profit? What if you could launch a polished info product without tech headaches, expensive tools, or starting from scratch? Hey, let me ask you a quick question. Do you have a bunch of PLR content sitting on your computer, maybe in folders labeled to use someday? You downloaded that course, that video series, that ebook thinking, I'll launch it and finally make some sales online. But weeks passed, months maybe, and that content is still collecting digital dust. Sound familiar? Maybe you thought, I don't know how to turn this into a real product. How do I make it look original? Where do I even sell this? How do I get people to buy? If you've asked yourself any of those questions, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're in the right place. Introducing Mastering Marketplaces, Strategies for a Successful Launch with Private Label Rights. The ultimate 20 video training course that shows you exactly how to create, package, launch, and profit from PLR like a pro. We've created a battle-tested roadmap for turning any PLR content into a money-making info product and selling it on top marketplaces like JVZoo, WarriorPlus, ClickBank, PayHip, even Amazon. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't need prior experience. You just need a step-by-step system. And that's exactly what this training gives you. Here's what you get inside the course. 20 step-by-step training videos covering everything. Why digital products are the future of online income. How to pick the right product and niche. Where and how to launch it successfully. How to stand out with smart branding, mockups and design. Creating an irresistible offer with bonuses, upsells, and scarcity. And so much more. You'll also learn the insider differences between JVZoo, WarriorPlus, and ClickBank and which one is right for your launch. We're not talking about theory. This is a click-by-click walkthrough of what actually works. These are the exact strategies successful marketers are using to turn $17 products into 5-figure launches. And now, it's your turn. Wait, there's more. When you grab Mastering Marketplaces Strategies for a Successful Launch with Private Label Rights today, you're also getting 20 audio files, 20 voiceover scripts, full private label rights, rebrand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits. And we're stacking the value with 5 incredible bonuses. Bonus number 1, 10 fitness ebooks with PLR. Bonus number 2, 10 cooking ebooks with PLR. Bonus number 3, 10 self-help ebooks with PLR. Bonus number 4, 10 yoga ebooks with PLR. Bonus number 5, 10 digital marketing ebooks with PLR. That's 50 additional ebooks across 5 evergreen niches, perfect for growing your brand, building an audience, or bundling into high-value offers. This isn't just another how-to course. This is your shortcut. Your blueprint. Your opportunity to finally take all that content sitting on your hard drive and launch it like a pro. Rebrand it. Resell it. Keep every penny of profit. But here's the catch, this is a limited time offer. Once this launch window closes, the price goes up and those exclusive bonuses? They're gone. So if you're ready to launch faster, sell smarter, profit bigger, then click the button below and grab Mastering Marketplaces now. Don't wait. Your competitors won't. This is your moment. No more guesswork. No more spinning your wheels. The step-by-step system is here. Let's launch that PLR and turn it into real, passive income. Click below to get instant access now.
What's available? Once you grab the main product, you'll be offered some powerful upgrades. Here's what they do. Server, 37 launch, and provided a label rights at least additional launch strategies. Upset $13 and more PLR products. Expand your digital empire. Upset $47. A massive bundle of more activated launch assets. I think upset $5,000. Yes, it will. You earn up to $500 and there's still moving it there. It's the best. No lesson.
Hey there, and welcome to the first lesson in this training. In today's video, we're kicking things off by answering a key question: why digital products? Before we dive into the tech and tactics, let's get clear on why this model works and why it's worth your focus. The way we create, consume, and sell has changed forever. In today's fast-moving digital world, selling ideas, skills, and solutions is far more scalable than selling physical goods. If you're looking for a business model with low risk, high return, and global reach, digital products are the answer. Why digital products win? No inventory or shipping. One product, unlimited sales. No need to store, pack, or deliver. High profit margins. Low overhead means more money in your pocket per sale. Global reach. Sell your product to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Scalable by nature. Whether you get 10 or 10,000 customers, your workload doesn't increase. Easy to update. Need to tweak your product? Fix it once, and it's instantly updated for everyone. Repackaging made simple. Break a course into mini products, turn a webinar into a guide, maximize every asset. People want solutions. Tutorials, templates, toolkits. Buyers want fast answers. Digital delivers. You build authority. Selling what you know positions you as an expert in your space. Recurring potential. Memberships, subscriptions, and licenses mean monthly income, not just one-time sales. Final thoughts. Digital products aren't just profitable, they're powerful. You're not selling stuff, you're selling value. And with the right tools and strategy, your first launch could be the start of something truly scalable. In the next chapter, we'll explore why selling through marketplaces like JVZoo, WarriorPlus, and ClickBank can accelerate your success, even if you're starting from scratch.
What I love about mass marketplaces is not only involves solutions for product creation, and selling series hours for use. All the work with people, high quality deals aging and sell and learn from 100% of the potential material or rights. The user friendly with little risk of deal. Not fit better. It's not a mass problem. But we're expecting to upload 8,000 of the this is important. It's still involved also, it's not ideal of those looking to create healthy customers or friends. This is focused on thinking better investment, not software. Finally, would you get it? You're ready to spend $7 billion. This is the smart sort of I've seen. Dungeon, cleaning, services, rights, all that is about to this. Basket marketplaces in the know and not just instantly. Thanks for checking out the school button pages. If you come with a stand that profit manner says I see the